My child, listen closely. You've been praying for restoration for something broken, lost, or taken away. But today, I am saying to you, I will not restore you, not because I have abandoned you, but because I am preparing to make you new. You're asking me to fix what was, but I'm about to give you something greater than what was. You see only what you lost, but I see what's coming. You keep looking back at the ashes, while I'm already shaping your future. I am not the God who just repairs. I am the God who rebuilds, redeems, and renews. Didn't I say in my word, behold, I make all things new, Revelation 21:5. So when I say, I will not restore you, it means I will not bring you back to what hurt you. I will not return you to the same place of pain, because I am leading you to a higher ground. You prayed for that relationship to come back, but I'm teaching you how to stand without it. You asked me to restore your old season, but I've already written a better one. You don't need the past to be restored. You need your faith to be renewed. Remember, my child, when I closed that door, it was mercy. When I said no, it was protection. And when I said, I will not restore you, it was because restoration was too small for you. You were made for transformation. Do not fear the silence. I am still working behind it. Do not doubt my timing. I am building what eyes have not seen. For, as it is written, what no eye has seen, what no ear has heard, what no human mind has conceived, the things God has prepared for those who love Him. 1 Corinthians 2:9. So stop asking me to rebuild your yesterday. Start trusting me to create your tomorrow. You are not going back, you are going forward. And when you see the new doors open, you'll understand why I didn't restore you. Because, my beloved, I was never planning to take you back. I was calling you higher, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29:11. So lift your head. Your story is not over. It's being rewritten by my hands. And what's coming next will make you thank me for everything I never restored.